I'm going to show you how to delete applications on MacBook. So let's get straight to it. Alright, so firstly, we need to head to the Finder, open a new Finder window, and get straight into the Applications tab. We have a lot of applications, and let's say you want to delete a certain application, just click on the application you want to delete, right click, and move to trash. Then you have to enter your password, and once it's done, it's gonna be straight into the trash bin. Yes, so it will be right here, and if you want to delete it fully, you need to empty the trash or delete immediately. So another alternative to deleting the app is through Launchpad. However, do note that it does not work for all applications. So what to do here is let's see, you want to delete voice mode here, you hold left click, and there you go. There is a lot of X's on the apps, but note that this does not work for all applications. So I will prefer you guys to use the Finder instead. I hope this helps you guys today. Thank you for watching.